look so cute there.
You look cute there.
You look cute there.
These are pretty. Look at this setup. Oh my god.
Okay, I have two different sizes.
Okay.
I've got this shorter size. And you can do all the pinks if you want, or you can just do one. But these are press-on nails. And then there's this one, it's a little bit longer. It's the same
Oh, I like those style.
set.
Is it for a longer like nail bed maybe?
No, it's
Or not necessarily.
It doesn't really matter. Let's see your nails. So like those will look really good. And you like a shorter anyway. But see also these.
Oh, those are pretty too. Oh,
Will look just fine.
Yeah, they actually, it doesn't matter about the nail bed.
They're really pretty, both of them. I'm a sucker for this one, but this one also is really nice. You can do all the colors. You can do like a ring finger, a darker pink, and then all the rest like a lighter pink, or you know, wonky.
They're all pretty. I'm kind of down if we do like, if you want to do like multiple colors.
Yeah.
Because it's cute. It looks like when people do the palettes of like the different,
Yeah.
like the same pink but different hues and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down if we want to do that.
Okay.
I feel like that will really look cool.
It would. This comes with the kit. This is the glue, the builder gel, and then it comes with a top coat.
I like their packaging.
It's really pretty.
Pretty.
Yeah.
I love this part of the nail.
Isn't that pretty?
It's very natural. I bet that looks nice on.
Well, and they also
Everybody's
have
done.
darker tones for darker.
No way.
Yeah, yeah. It's really cool.
Because the reason why I never want to do press-ons or anything is because of this part. You can see my nail.
Yeah.
But this would hide that.
Yeah.
Stunning.
Hell yeah.
Stunning.
Push back the cuticles gently and quickly. And then if you did it at home, you would just take your nail file and you just go like this. I think I've given you a set of these before, or at least I've given your mom a set of these before.
Yeah. The nail file?
No, they
Want to decide that day you're going to go do something fun. Yeah. That's something you can easily do.
These are what I put on my nails for my job interview.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. I did orange. Those were so fun.
That sounds pretty.
I'm like a sucker for orange for some reason. Orange or pink. My favorite color is purple, but I never choose it.
Yeah, that's funny. As a nail color.
Yeah. Or even wearing it.
Yeah, that is funny.
I don't know why. I'm just like, oh my god, I love that color. I'm not gonna choose it.
I love it so much.
Silly. They don't want to get tired of it.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is. And I think you can love a color so much too. You just, if you don't wear it.
And we just dust it off. Dust. Just gonna size you up first. Focus. That's so pretty. Okay, pinky. Go here. Oh yeah, that's great. Yep, that looks pretty good. Sidewall to sidewall. Oops. Painter. Yep. Painter. We already did this one. Glad you're paying attention.
With them, it's pretty.
Looks good. Now that we're organized, I'm going to flip this around.
Nice.
Actually, to make it more better, I like to etch the inside of these. Not very, like, take extra heat.
Does that come with it, Rach?
It does come with it.
That is cool. That's its own map.
Yeah, heck yeah. Land, get a little cord, and you just plug her in. Makes it easier because when you're holding it, like if you're holding your own finger, you can just whoop and go like that. Like when you're doing it yourself at home. Back to business. Gel glue. Just a little. a little bit in the well. A little goes a long way. Then you press it from cuticle to tip, and then dot it, and then we go under. This one's kind of out of frame, but we'll do it better next time.
Okay. Cardi B.
Is it burn?
No, I said Cardi B.
Oh, Cardi B.
Bugatti.
Okay, that one we just froze. We'll cure it for a full 60 seconds later. Gel glue, just a thin layer right on the nail, and then just a little bit in the well. Just a little bit. Little respect. Okay. Bring you up here. Go from cuticle. And then bring it down. Bring you in.
Little tab on the end.
Little tab on the end, yeah. Sounds good to me.
Mm-hmm. What's this used for, Rachel?
What's what?
The builder one used for.
Oh, the builder one is for structure. So this one encapsulates it. Builder gel. I just do a thin coat. The builder gel. Right on top. And you have to, this is not an option, you have to encapsulate the tip, or else okay. Switch. Switch. Top coat. Encapsulate the tips. Always take the lamp, cure it. I'm trying to separate it from the skin if there's any little areas. I'm going to take my buffer. And it's no wipe top coat, so it's not sticky, which is nice. Let me see this little spot right here. Little divot. Just file that off. Well, but we should all have someone. We should all have someone at home. Someone. We should all have someone
We shall have some on hand. On hand. On cuticle. On cuticle. OMG.
Got that in.
These are strong. They feel good. It feels like I got my nails done all the way. Like acrylic and all.
Yeah, those are so pretty.
The colors are vibrant.
Yeah, cute.
I love them.
Good.
Strong. Like it really feels like acrylic. And for how fast you can do them. I love it. I love it. Love it.
Oh.
I love them.
Those are cute.
These are legit. These are killing it.